Hi, this is JV from InfoHut, and today I'm going to show you how to pair your Apple AirPods with an iPhone. It is extremely easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so once you've received your AirPods, you simply just take them out of the box, make sure they're charged. If you have received them secondhand or used, what you need to do is obviously give it a bit of a hard reset, and there's a little button on the actual charging case there, and you just hold that in for about 10 seconds. So once you've got it out of the box, you simply just get your AirPods, hold it next to your iPhone, and you flip the top. I'll just put it on the right way around. And then once you flip that top, you'll see an option at the bottom here to connect. And obviously you just press that. It'll take a few seconds and you'll get this little window showing you your AirPods with the battery percentage and your charging case with the battery percentage. And that's done. And you'll simply be able to use your AirPods. As soon as you put them in your ear, you're good to go. So please like, please subscribe, and also, I've got a little Patreon link below. If any of my videos have helped you, buy me a coffee. Thanks. Bye.